As Narendra Modi was taking oath in the Rashtrapati Bhavan along with 71 ministers, more than 600 kilometers away in Jammu and Kashmir's Riyasi, a bus carrying pilgrims fell into a gorge after terrorists opened fire on it. The bus was travelling from the Shiv Khori temple to the Vaishno Devi shrine in Katra.
शिव खोड़ी के दर्शन के लिए गया था और दर्शन करके वापस हम लोग आ रहे थे। 2-3 किलोमीटर बस चली होगी, उसके बाद जो है सामने से हमारे फायर होने लगा और तब से फायर चलता रहा और बस हमारी जो है थोड़ी सी आगे जाकर खाई में पलट गई।
दर्शन करके जब वापस लौट रहे थे, मुश्किल से 4-5 किलोमीटर गाड़ी आगे आई होगी, फिर एक पहाड़ से जब नीचे उतर रही थी तभी गोली चलने लगी थी। ठीक हो बेटा? और गोली चलने के बाद में बस जब नीचे चली गई है, गिर गई बस, उसके बाद में तब भी गोली काफी टाइम चला।
Bullets struck several occupants of the bus, including the driver. That's when the bus veered off the road and plunged into a deep gorge, killing at least 10 people. Most of the victims were from Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan.
This is the bus which came under a barrage of gunfire from militants who were hiding near the road above us, and then it came rolling down into this deep gorge, and it is right now there where multiple bodies and injured were taken out by locals and Jammu and Kashmir police. Other parts of Rajouri and Poonch as well, where certain incidents like these have taken place. But yes, one has to see that what kind of details do emerge from these searches and once the investigation progresses. But right now, an intense search is underway in these very thick forests of Riyasi, which is also bordering Rajouri, which has seen incidents in the past.
Pakistan backed the Resistance Front, which is an offshoot of the Lashkar-e-Taiba, claimed responsibility. TRF called the attack the beginning of a renewed start and warned of targeting more tourists and non-locals. Till now, Riyasi district had remained largely unaffected by terrorist activities, especially when compared to regions like Rajouri and Poonch. But the attack on the pilgrim bus shows that terrorists are expanding their area of operation beyond the border districts in the otherwise peaceful Jammu region. Rajouri, Poonch and Riyasi districts had been the hub of militancy from the late 1990s to the early 2000s. Then they became relatively peaceful until Rajouri and Poonch started witnessing a resurgence in militant activities in 2021. These three districts are important because of their tough mountainous terrain and dense forests. Nearly 200 kilometers of the line of control runs along Rajouri and Poonch. The Pir Panjal range, which separates Kashmir from Jammu division, passes through the three districts and provides a passage to the valley for terrorists who cross from the LOC. The mountains and forests provide cover to terrorists to move between districts whenever they face pressure from the security forces. In the past 5 years, the Poonch-Rajouri sector has seen multiple encounters between Indian security forces and terrorists. The casualties on the Indian side have been high, with terrorists having the advantage of surprise and swifter movement. With the Amarnath Yatra due to begin from the 29th of June, the Riyasi terror attack is bound to sound alarm bells.